Hi, here we are with the PowerPoint presentation of our project and the result and recommendation, of course. So I can show you the different slides. So most times we ask ourselves, why are some artists more popular than the other? Why are some artists' music being played or streamed more than some others, even when some others are doing better in terms of the music quality? Then we came to look at what could have influenced it. What can make a particular artist to be more popular than each other? So we said, okay, let's look at some data to know why. We asked ourselves some questions and we said to ourselves, which city or continent or country dominates the music world in terms of popularity? Of course, we got a data set from Spotify to see what they have for the month of June 2025. We also looked at the population of the country where they are from or where they are residing. Does it affect or does it influence their popularity? We also looked at the GDP of the country, the economic growth. Does it have any influence also? So, if you look at the first analytical goal which we have, we did a chart to show the country that has the highest number of artists in the data we are analyzing. You can here see that United States leads significantly, followed by United Kingdom, Mexico, India, South Korea, and the rest of them down west. So we also looked at the city. Here you can see that Los Angeles and Miami, which are cities in the United States, also rank as the highest in terms of artists who are popular. This was followed by United Kingdom, which came third, which is London. We also looked at the artist type, which of these artists are band and which of them are solo artists, so that we know which particular artist type can get recognized more. So you can see that solo artists are more popular, they are more recognized, as you can see from the pie charts and as well as these bars, which is showing the different numbers. Here you can see the first part, United States, having 95 of them are solo artists, while 20 they are band. United Kingdom has 11 solo artists and then 8 band. Mexico, 11 solo artists and 3 band. But there's something we discovered here. You can see that United Kingdom and South Korea, it seems they are they have band group who are popular. So there's like a considerable presence of band in United Kingdom and in South Korea. Then they want to look at the second and third analytical goal, which is the population and the GDP of the country. So here we did the correlation matrix to show the relationship between the artist rank, the population, and the GDP. Here also we did the relationship also with the artist rank and the GDP using box plots. Here also we did with a bubble plot. So here you can see that countries like United States, India, United Kingdom, which are ranked as countries with high population and countries with good GDP, they are also among the first 10 and the first 20, as you can see from the box plots. the first 10 top has a higher GDP. From the bubble plot, you can see India at the top right corner. You can see they have high population and they have high GDP. Likewise, United Kingdom and the United States, which remains the highest. So here, this is our observation. The negative correlation between the population and artist rank shows that it seems some artists are ranked better because of the country where they belong to or the country where they are coming from. And also, it seems that richer countries that have high GDP, they have more ranked artists, like you can see in the United States, Canada, Italy, India, and the UK. Though Italy has a lower population, but their GDP is high, and they have artists who are ranked higher. So even though we will say that money is or the economic growth or economic power of the country does not have influence, but a greater number of the countries here have a GDP that is higher. So we can say it has a little or more influence on the rank of the artist. Also, we projected a recommendation that could help some countries like South Africa, that's in Africa, some other countries like Nigeria, and some countries in Africa, Ghana. So many of them, they have good upcoming, I wouldn't say upcoming artists, they have good artists, their music unique. So if there's a way the investment can be done to bring up these artists to the limelight, the global platform, I think there will be an opportunity, and they can also rank highest. Countries like Nigeria that has a population, they can also be on the global platform and rank highest, maybe with time. Then also let's focus beyond GDP, because we can see some countries like Italy, not Italy, I mean other countries, especially in Africa, that have low GDP but they have some artists that are popular. So labels, I suggest labels should look into the grassroots talents in the low GDP countries and identify those ones that are very much promising. Then there is also need to balance solo artists and band group promotion so that music can be diversified. Then the last one is artists from low recognized countries. They should try as much as possible to promote their music in those countries that are ranked higher in terms of GDP and population, because from our analysis we can see that they have some influence in the artist's popularity. Thank you.